is Shubham and I'm back with another video. So today we will learn how to check the bounce rate in Google Analytics. So let's get started. First of all, you need to access your Google Analytics with your required Gmail. Now once login, go to the report section on the left as shown in the videos. Here it is. Under the dashboard, click on the engagement. Under the engagement, click on the page and screens. So if you don't see the bounce rate here, click on the customize report on the right hand side. Now go to the metrics and add bounce rate here. And drag and drop the bounce rate metrics where you want to it displayed in your report. For example, if you want to this stat should be in the user in the second column, then drag it accordingly and click on the apply button. Now here you can see the bounce rate over here. Also, if you want to adjust the bounce rate calculation, by default it calculates at 10 seconds, but if you want to increase the time period as 10 seconds is very less to count any engagement in that, so you can follow further step. Click on the back, go to the admin section. Under the admin section, go to the data stream. Scroll down and click on the configure tag setting. Click on the show all and then adjust time session settings as per your preference, such as 10 seconds, 20 seconds, and after that click on the save button and go to the dashboard. You have successfully learned how to check the bounce rate in Google Analytics 4. If you found this video helpful, so don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.